Fall is just around the corner. Let's make a cocktail for it. Welcome back. Today we're creating the Fallback Cocktail. Now, this was not created, as far as I know, in the idea of daylight savings time ending, hence spring forward, fall back. This drink was created by the late Sasha Petraske as he consulted at the John Dory Oyster Bar in New York City for the fall menu of 2011. This drink utilizes Amaro Nonino. For those of you that remember my Paper Plane episode, same thing. It also utilizes a split base for the alcohol component. Instead of just one spirit, it utilizes two, Rye Whiskey and Applejack, which, if you remember the Applejack Rabbit or the Jack Rose, Applejack. Hence, we will be using Laird's Applejack. Bottled and bond or regular? Not sure yet, but never had it. It sounds awesome. Let's get into it. This is a build in a glass cocktail, which means grab a rocks glass. And to this, I need to get Peychaud's bitters. I need 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters if I had the standard woozy bottle top. With this dash dart, it thins it a little bit. I'll go 3 with the dash dart. I'm gonna grab my jigger, and I need Sweet Vermouth. Carpano Antico will be fine. Montemez will be fine. Using Martini and Rossi. So I need a 1/2 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. And now, good pop. Need a 1/2 ounce of my Amaro Nonino. And now for the spirits. I'm gonna go with Laird's Straight Apple Brandy, bottled and bond. And for that, I need 1 ounce. And now I need Rye Whiskey. What rye do I want to utilize? Bullet? Sure. Pick a rye that you like. I enjoy Bullet. You also might be able to see back there, maybe not. Old Forester rye works just as well. Pick a rye that you enjoy. I'm using 1 ounce of Bullet rye. Grab your ice. Ice in. Grab your bar spoon and stir. How long? Till cold. Another way to keep your cocktails cold is to chill your glass. So throw your glass into the freezer, to the fridge, a few minutes before you start making cocktails, get it nice and cold. The optional garnish for this is an orange twist, which I understand because it would likely play well with the Peychaud's, the Applejack, and the Rye. And this is a Fallback Cocktail. Cheers. Ooh, that's nice. No, like it's bracing because of the rye and the Applejack, but yet it's smoothed over. The vermouth is smoothed over by the Amaro Nonino, the Peychaud's bitters. The anise really comes into focus with this, and it's a nice cocktail, I have to say. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you're using the barware I used on my show, check down below. There is a link to kit.co, which houses links to everything I utilize. They are Amazon affiliate links, which you know how that works. Find all my socials down in the description as well. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.